Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to open treasures in MS Word. Friends, by the help of treasures option you can very easily find alternative words with the similar meaning. So in the current document, suppose I want to find and replace any word, then I just need to select that word and need to click on review. Now under review tab you will find option of treasure. Now as you can see on my right side corner of the screen, it is showing all the alternative words of fancy. So to replace this word, you simply need to click on this small arrow and here click on insert. Now it has replaced the word fancy to decorative. So friends, like this you can very easily find and replace alternative words in your document. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.